Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to create your own Sprunki mod step by step. If you've ever wanted to customize your own Sprunki mod, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Stick around, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to do it. And hey, if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Method 1. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io website. In the website's search box, type Sprunki and press enter. Now look at the search results and click on the first one. Once you're on the page, find the download button and click on it. The download will begin, so wait for it to complete before moving on to the next step. Method 2. Now let's move on to Scratch. To do that, type Scratch in the search bar. Once you're on the website, click on Create to start a new project. Next, press File, then select Load from your computer to upload the file you downloaded earlier. After the file loads, go to the Costumes tab in the editor. Scroll down to browse through the available costumes. Here, you'll see different options that you can customize. Select the one you want to modify, then scroll further down to explore all the animations and customization settings available. And that's it! You've successfully created your own Sprunki mod. Thanks for watching.